Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn trunc function in Excel in this video. Okay, so today we will talk about what is trunc function and what and in which scenario you have to use it. Okay, and what is benefit of this. Okay, so let's start with what does it do. Okay, so this function removes the decimal part of numbers and it does not actually round the numbers. Means suppose you have a lot of data and you want to remove that decimal numbers. You have already seen the round function where you can round up or round down the decimal places. But if you want to delete, if you want to remove the decimal places, decimal from the data, in that scenario, this function is very helpful. Okay, so this is the syntax for that. We'll let you know with the example, with the simple example. Okay, so this is the number and this is the value which needs to be removed. 0 means, I'll show you. Trunc, number, the data, and the number digit. Either you can type or select the 0 means no decimal places. It will remove decimal after 1. If you see 1, if you want to put the decimal places also, so there is no value after 1. So it permanently remove the decimal numbers after decimal numbers values. Okay. So I'll put this one also, trunc, and the num digits 1, which means after decimal places 1 values is come over here. Okay, the same if I put 2, it will show after 2 1.47. Okay, see here is values in minus. Okay, so let's see in this scenario 1. Okay, it will not work because the value is in minus. Let's see, and this, it will work. Okay, see, so it will show minus 1.4. Okay, after decimal it will show one value minus 1.4, and here it show 2. And if I put minus 1, so let's see what happened. 13640, 13640, which means minus 1 before decimal places it will remove 1, it will convert to 0. Okay, same here, see 13600, 13600, it will remove 43, convert to 0. Minus 3, see 13000. So this is a trunc function and it is very useful to remove a decimal part of a number. Okay, and you can use it in your report, and if you come across any query regarding this formula, you can email me. I will solve your query. Thank you so much. Have a great day.